This is the motorcycle mount. Mobile holder come charging one. I already unboxed it in my home. Just I brought it to the showroom where I can get it fixed with the help of you guys. Hi friends, good afternoon. This is Venkat Challagundla. Dear friends, today I am at this place called Sri Venkateshwara Royal Enfield Servicing Center, Kottapet, Hyderabad. Why am I here? Very simple, my friend. It's not for getting my bike serviced. I am here as part of my another trip. I have started preparation for my another trip, but the location I am going to reveal it to you guys in the next video. Until then, bear with me. Why I'm here today? Friends, last time I bought a mobile holder from a place called King Kochi. It's kind of, local market. That mobile holder and charging equipment was not that good. During my south ride, it went bad and I had to remove it and prune. And the rest of the ride I continued without any map. This time I bought one from Amazon. Of course, it costed me a bit higher amount, but still, this is very good equipment. I read the reviews and it looked very solid. So I bought it to the shop here, my servicing center. My friends are working on that. They are fixing my Ladakh carrier onto the bike, and after that they are going to mount the mobile holder and charging point. After that, I am not the guy who puts costly panniers and all. Economically, I'm not that well off. So I thought whatever available resources I should utilize and go ahead. So I bought this Ladakh carrier for 1700 bucks from King Kochi, and I bought this mobile holder cum charging point for 800 rupees from Amazon. With that, I think most of my works done. I'm using rest of the things whatever I have. So I'm not investing much money because I hardly have any subscribers. So this time I try to give as much as quality videos as possible to my viewers. I hope you guys understand and hang on to me and encourage me. I'm going to provide the beautiful things, and the location I am going to be revealing to you is a surprise one. And this time also I am on my own. I'm doing the solo ride. I am doing the solo ride to the new destination, which I'm going to reveal it to you in the next video. Until then, hang on guys, hang on. Thank you very much. 10 days. Adult. Ever man